So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about the eye. So ensure to stay to the end of this video as this is an important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this video, you'll get a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge. So there are several parts of the eye you need to know about, and we're going to study this with the aid of a diagram. So first we have the sclera over here, which is the tough supporting wall of the eye. And here is the cornea, which is the transparent outer layer found in the front of the eye. It refracts light into the eye. We also have the iris here, which contains muscles that allow it to control the diameter of the pupil, which is actually the hole in the middle here. So the iris, therefore, controls the amount of light that enters the eye. Here is the lens, which focuses the light onto the retina. So the shape of the lens is controlled by the ciliary muscles and suspensory ligaments. And then lastly, over here is the optic nerve, which carries impulses from sensory receptors in the retina and then down to the brain. Very bright light can damage the retina, but thanks to the iris reflex that helps to prevent this from happening. So when light receptors in the eye detects a very bright light, a reflex is triggered, which makes the pupil smaller. The circular muscle in the iris contracts and the radial muscle relaxes. This reduces the amount of light that can enter the eye. The opposite of this happens in dim lights. That is, the radial muscles will contract, whereas the circular muscles will relax. This, however, then makes the pupil wider. So guys, here is a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.